Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I'm Mandy and today we're making Hong Kong style French toast. Just think of your standard fabulous French toast except in sandwich form, stuffed with delicious peanut butter or fruit jam or Nutella and a little bit of condensed milk drizzled on the top. It only takes 5 minutes to cook. Perfect for a busy morning. You're gonna love me for this one. I got 6 slices of white toast here. You actually want to use day old, a bit hardened bread for this. If your toast is fresh and soft, it will lose its shape after you dip it into the egg batter. Apply a generous amount of peanut butter on one side of the toast. You can switch the peanut butter with fruit jam or Nutella, which are also popular in Cha Tan Tin. For those of you who don't know about it, Cha Tan Tin is a type of Hong Kong-style cafe restaurant which is known for offering Chinese Western fusion foods, mainly influenced by British culture. It's hard to simply classify Cha Tan Tin as Western or Chinese cuisine because it exists as an unique cultural culinary combination. I have seen a lot of recipes tell you to trim off the edge for a better presentation, but I don't like to waste food, so I'm going to keep the edge. Okay, let's move on to the batter. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat them well until you don't see any obvious egg white. Add 3 tablespoons of whole milk. Mix thoroughly. Pour it into a flat container. This will help you to coat the bread evenly. Preheat your cast iron skillet over medium heat for a minute. Then switch the heat to low. Add some vegetable oil. Swirl it around to cover the bottom. Dip the bread in the egg mixture. Turn to coat all the sides evenly. Once you finish the dipping, you will have to pan fry it right away. Do not wait because it will get soggy quickly. This pan only fits 2, so I will fry the third one later. Cha Tan Tin restaurants normally would deep fry the toast for a better presentation. I think it is too much oil for home cooking, and if you don't know how to control the temperature while deep frying, you will likely end up with a sponge that is soaked with oil. Pan frying is much more friendly for beginners. Just be sure to keep an eye on it the whole time because it does get burned quickly. Flip to the other side and continue to fry until golden brown. Don't forget to sear the edges as well. Okay, I think we are done. Drizzle some sweetened condensed milk over the top. If you like it to be sweeter, you can drizzle some chocolate syrup as well. Top a piece of butter and that's it. Let's slice it open. It's crispy on the outside. The inside is custardy with the creaminess of the peanut butter. It's just so delicious. Oh, I almost forgot to add the fruit. Some blueberries and cherries. I just love simple breakfast like this. I know there are other styles of French toast around the world and I would love to know what's your favorite. I hope you give this a try soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because that really encourages me to continue to make delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!